welcome back to my channel. So today is another new release video for you guys, and I'm really excited about this one. We have some new kits in the shop and some new for different planners than we normally make, so I'm really excited. I know I get this request. Oh, thank you if you just ordered from me. That was my Shopify app telling me that I got an order, so thank you guys so much for your orders that have been coming in this morning. Before I've even posted this video showing you guys what is available. So anyway, I just want to say thank you for that. But a lot of people have been requesting mini happy planner kits, and it has taken me forever to find a format layout that I like, but I have been playing around with them, and I'm happy to report that I have a bunch of mini happy planner kits to show you guys today. Well, I say a bunch, I think I have 7. So I'm going to show you guys that first, and then I will get into the one main collection that I have. These mini happy planner kits, let me get one, are 2 pages, and this is what they look like. They have the washi strip. It is not pre-punched. I didn't want to pre-punch anything because I wanted to make sure that it lined up perfectly and whatever, so I'm not pre-punching anything. If you get this and you want to use the washi strip, you'll just need to get a happy planner punch. You can get them at Michael's or probably anywhere that they sell happy planners. And I just used the regular sized one for the classic happy planner, and then I would put the strips on my mini happy planner and then line it up that way. But yeah, so I really like the way that this kit turned out. I do want to mention I made these little full boxes, and then this one is actually bigger to fit the bottom of the happy planner. Let me actually grab my happy planner. So what I mean by this is this little box, this one is meant to cover that section, not necessarily in your week. And I made these smaller because I just felt like if I made it this size, then you don't have a lot of writing for the day. So that's why that's the way that it is. I do want to point that out. I know that some of the happy planners are different sizes, but I did try to just size it as best I could. And I tried to put stuff in there that's in our normal kits, so all of our icons and this little vegan banner, how cute. And then I did these different type of heart checklists, but they line up with the, hang on, with the lines. I was testing this one, it didn't make the cut. I wish I had my, hang on, let me find my spread that I did with this one. Okay, so here's kind of what they look like in the actual stickers. As you can see, the heart checklist line up. The boxes don't take up as much space. Here's the washi strip going on there. This one, this was before I had resized this box, so that's why those are there. But like I said, this one will kind of fit over all of that. But yeah, that's kind of what it looks like in my planner and kind of how I envisioned it. But yeah, anyway, I feel like I've been rambling so much about this. So I really love these kits. I hope you guys like them. I would love to hear when you get them and try them out, what things worked for you, what things didn't, what should I add or take away, because I kind of use my mini happy planner a little bit, but I don't use it a ton. And so I'd love to hear from you guys if you use yours on the regular, how these kits work for you. So anyway, the first one that we have is Endless Summer, and this is actually our new collection. This did not cut right. Anyway, this is our new, what is going on here? I don't know, sorry. This is our new collection, and I'll show you guys the Erin Condren / Classic Happy Planner collections in this. I say / Happy Planner because it will actually fit in a Happy Planner. So I tried to go back and pick some of our summer collections to show you guys, or to do with the Classic Happy Planner. So we have our Tropical Vacation, which this one is one of my favorites. Oh, I'm so excited for summer. And then we did, well, I did, what is this? The Ocean Kit. That came out a couple weeks ago. I did that for the mini happy planner. We have the Lemonade one for the happy planner, and I keep getting this question a lot, and But yes, all of these collections that you're gonna see, they are available like as full collections already on the shop. I just went back and made them in the mini Happy Planner kit form, but they're already still, like they're already on the site. I keep getting questions like that, and I don't know if you guys have just missed it or you're just unsure, but yes, all of these that you're gonna see in the mini Happy Planner kit are available in full collections as well. Then I did the Tropical Mini. Again, love the colors, ready for summer. We have the Watermelon kit. And then finally, I did the 4th of July kit, which this kit in the full collection was like our best seller of the last new releases. So I'm just in love with the art and just how everything turned out, and I'm so glad you guys are loving it as well. So those are all of our Happy Planner kits. Like I said, I think there's 7 of them. And I'm gonna come out with more. I'm hoping to have monthly kits for the mini Happy Planner up either next week or the following week. I haven't figured out my schedule quite yet because I did get a Hobo Weeks and I want to make stickers for that as well. So yeah, these are all the mini Happy Planner kits. I hope you guys are excited. I'm really excited. I think they're gonna be a great addition to the shop and to your planners. Oh, I do want to mention that this sheet is actually bigger than the planner, so if you were to like punch that, it is gonna overlap in your planner. I do want to point that out because I know some people like to put them in their planner, and so they, you know, but it is just slightly bigger than the actual Happy Planner sheet. So anyway, now to get into the regular collection for the week, and this I named Endless Summer. Guys, the colors, I can't. So these are, of course, the glitter headers right here. And I think that these glitter headers, or any of the glitter headers, will also work in the Happy Planner, like mini Happy Planner if you wanted them. So, all right, I'll show you guys the mini kit first. Guys, the full boxes, I love them, and I love the colors. I don't know if it's coming up true to color on camera, but I love it. I absolutely love it so much. I can't wait to use this kit. I also changed up the weekend banner. So, I don't know, I was just feeling it. So that is the Endless Summer mini kit. And then we have the Endless Summer full kit, which is just our basic full kit. Yeah. Also, I would love to know how you guys are loving, I did like the different hair tone, like hair colors and skin tones for this one, for the extra full box, so that way you don't have to purchase like a separate listing. But that's only on the full kit. And again, our full kits are available like a la carte too, so you get the mini kit, and then you get like any of these sheets that you wanted. So, I don't know what is going on. There's stuff like on this one. What is going on? There we go. But yeah, so that's our full kit, our full collection for Endless Summer. And those are all of our new releases for this week. I have a coupon code. I'm gonna put it on the screen. It is only good through Monday at midnight. So basically like it's good today, tomorrow, and Sunday. To get 25% off $10 or more, but it is only available on our website. All of these stickers are on Etsy, but they're not discounted. So the only place that the code will work is on our website. Okay, the last thing that I want to mention before I let you guys go is I ordered 2 Hobo Nichi Weeks kits, planners. I'm really excited, so I got impatient, so I ordered a second one that could actually get here faster, because this one was shipping from Japan and it was not supposed to get here until like May, but it actually got here way earlier than I expected. But I was being impatient and having like the fear of missing out situation going on, so I ordered this one from Jet Pins. So because of that, I have this extra one that I'm going to be doing a giveaway on my Instagram for. This one started in January and it goes just through December, I think. But it's just this little cute like cactus print. I really do like it, but I just can't justify having 2. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give this one away on my Instagram. So if you're not following my Instagram, definitely go over and follow that. I'm gonna have like links and stuff below. I'm gonna be posting the giveaway, what am I trying to say? The giveaway post sometime today, I think. So definitely be sure to go check out my Instagram if you want a chance to win this little Hobonichi kit. It's so cute, guys. I love the paper in this planner. I kind of get the hype, kind of. So anyway, so I did want to mention that, but that is it for today's new release video and all of our new releases. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know what you guys want to see in the shop, as far as like themes or even just like stickers for the mini happy planner. Like I said, I use mine some, but it's not one that I use like on the daily. So I tried to like come up with stickers that I thought everybody could use, but I definitely would love to hear your thoughts and your feedback, because I'm always looking for ways to make my stickers better for you guys. So let me know what you think in the comments below. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.